in this video, we're going to be talking about the NVIDIA Broadcaster software. If you don't know what that is, it's just some software that you can use if you have an NVIDIA RTX graphics card or higher. It's really wonderful. It can do things such as background removal on your camera, so you can sort of do a green screen without a green screen. Yes, I have a video that shows you how to do that too, and we'll have that linked down at the bottom. But this one's going to be more going over an example of how it works in terms of the microphone and how you can have a bunch of noise going on. And, let's just say that your little cousin decided to take a dump on the carpet again, and your mom's screaming and shouting and everything like that, and you don't want your stream to hear it. Well, this is some wonderful software, and for an example, we'll be using Old Faithful here. This is the Wind Machine 9002. Really wonderful. I love it a lot. It's definitely enough to give someone PTSD, especially someone that's lived in the Gulf of Texas all of their life. So let's go ahead and let's get to the examples, one with the software on and one with it off. All right, now this is with the software turned off. You can definitely hear the fan. This is something you do not want to have happening on your stream. All right, now this is with it turned on. I'm talking and you're not hearing it, but you're seeing my hair flap around and all that. All right, so let me show you how to just set it up real fast. It's really easy. Open up NVIDIA Broadcast. If you don't know where it is, you can type in the search, or you can just go down here as long as it's running. Icon tray, right-click NVIDIA Broadcast. Go to Show NVIDIA Broadcast. Make sure you're under the microphone tab here. Make sure you have the correct microphone selected that you want to use, that you're going to have the noise removal effect added. At this point in time, there is only noise removal, so maybe at one point they're going to add more random effects, but at this point in time, they only have noise removal. Make sure you have this showing as green, because if it's not green, it's turned off. If you want to test it, feel free to use this. The little circle records, and then the triangle plays it back for you. Now, inside of OBS, make sure you go to Settings, go to Audio, and select the microphone NVIDIA Broadcast. Now this right here, if you're going to want to using this on Discord and stuff like that, you'll need to go into Discord, and you'll also need to select this too. It's pretty easy, and that's really all it is. That's pretty much it. I'm impressed with what NVIDIA Broadcast can do, how you can have so much noise happening in the background, and you barely take a quality hit to be able to keep all of that noise out. So I would definitely suggest NVIDIA Broadcast, and I can only see this software getting better as time goes on. So if you have any questions, anything about the software, please leave a comment down below.